Welcome to Slide Egg. Let's explore how to use the Merge Shapes tool in PowerPoint to create amazing designs. First, let's start with the Union option. Open PowerPoint and select two shapes. Once you've got them, go to the Shape Format tab, click on Merge Shapes, and choose Union. Instantly, the two shapes combine into one seamless shape. Now, here's where the fun begins. You can use this technique to create some really creative slides. Try this: insert a round shape, then duplicate it twice. Adjust their positions and add a rounded corner triangle. Align everything perfectly, and again, apply Union. You've just created a unique new shape. Want to make it pop? Right-click on the shape, go to Format Shape, and choose Picture or Texture Fill. Insert a stock image, and watch your design come to life. Next up is Combine. This one's pretty cool. Select two shapes, head back to Merge Shapes, and pick Combine. What happens? The overlapping part disappears, leaving you with a combined but hollow shape. You can take this a step further to design intricate slides. For example, try duplicating a rounded corner triangle. Position the duplicates. Then add a rectangle and send it to the back. Change the colors, select all the shapes, and use Combine again. You'll end up with a striking, polished look. Now let's move on to Fragment. Select two overlapping shapes, and when you choose Fragment, PowerPoint breaks them into multiple pieces. This works great with pictures too. Place a rectangle over a picture. Select both. And apply Fragment. Your image is now split into puzzle pieces. How cool is that? Now for the Intersect option. Select two overlapping shapes, go to Merge Shapes, and choose Intersect. You'll be left with just the overlapping portion. But that's not all, you can use this trick with videos and text too. Just select a video in a text box, apply Intersect, and adjust the size. You've now got a custom-shaped video overlay. Finally, let's look at Subtract. This one's super handy. Select two shapes, choose Subtract, and PowerPoint removes the overlapping part of the second shape. It's perfect for creating unique frames or cutouts. For instance, you can insert a large rectangle, zoom out, and then place a rounded corner rectangle in the middle. Use Subtract, and you've got a professional-looking frame for your slide. And there you have it. That's how you can use the Merge Shapes tool in PowerPoint to take your designs to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.